stratified epithelium, the component cells are arranged in more than one layer. Not all the cells rest on the basement membrane or reach the apical surface. The subtypes are named according to the shape of the surface cells. Stratified epithelium includes stratified squamous epithelium, stratified columnar epithelium, and transitional epithelium. The first type, stratified squamous epithelium. This multi-layered type of epithelium derives its name from the squamous appearance of the outermost layers of its cells. The deepest cells are arranged in one layer and rest on the basement membrane. This shape is cuboidal although columnar in the intermediate regions of the epithelium. The cells are polygonal in outline and larger. At the surface, the flattening reaches a maximum and cells become scales. This is the pattern diagram of stratified squamous epithelium in yellow. 1 shows the basal cells, 2 shows the intermediate layer cells, 3 shows the squamous cells. Two variations of stratified squamous epithelium occur: non-keratinized and keratinized. Non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium is located on the surface of moist cavities or orifices that open out from the body surface, such as the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, vagina, and urethral. The surface cells in this epithelium are viable and contain nuclei, but lack keratin. Keratinized stratified squamous epithelium covers the entire exposed surface of the body. The cells of the surface layer contain keratin, but no nucleus. Functionally, this variety is particularly well adapted to receiving such physical results as barrier and protection. In this picture, the square shows the non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. The arrow indicates the squamous cells. This is the skin of fingers. The square shows the epidermis, which is keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. The arrow indicates the basal cells. The blue star shows the stratum corneum, which fall off continuously and form scurf. The second type, stratified columnar epithelium. It is composed of basal, intermediate layer, and columnar cells. Stratified columnar epithelium is rare. It is present in the human body only in small areas, such as eyelid, male urethral. Main functions include protection and secretion. This is the light micrograph of eyelid. The square shows the epithelium. The arrow indicates the goblet cells. Transitional epithelium is a highly distensible stratified epithelium. The number of layers and the form of cells change according to the degree of distension of the organ. It is composed of basal, intermediate layer, and superficial cells. Transitional epithelium lines the urinary tract, such as renal pelvis, renal calyces, ureter, bladder, and urethral. Look at the diagram. The left is the urinary bladder in relaxed state. The epithelium becomes 5 or 6 layered. The surface cells are large and cuboidal, with a superficial layer of cytoplasm, which often appears condensed and darker in HE preparations. This multi-layered epithelium is characterized by a surface layer of dome-shaped cells. Occasionally, 2 nuclei per cell can be observed. Adjacent layers contain cells that may be cuboidal, columnar, or polygonal in shape. The right is urinary bladder in distended state. The epithelium consists of 2 or 3 layers of cells. The superficial cells are large, low cuboidal plates. The lower ones smaller and irregularly cuboidal. This is the right micrograph of urinary bladder. The left is in the relaxed state. The arrow indicates the dome-shaped cells, which can cover several subjacent cells. We can see the condensed and darker cytoplasm above the nucleus, which can prevent the urine erosion. The right is in the distended state. The dome-shaped cells are flattened. Major functions include burial, distensible property, and protection. Above are the stratified epithelia. Do you remember this clinical case? Now we can answer the following questions. First one, the basic tissue on the surface of gastric mucosa is epithelial tissue. Second one, the main characteristics include it has large amount of cells and small amount of extracellular matrix. The cells has an apical, a basal, and a lateral surfaces. Nearly no blood vessels in the epithelium. Epithelium has abundant no angles. Third one, the epithelium is divided into covering epithelium, glandular epithelium, sensory epithelium, germinal epithelium, and myoepithelium.